Today is day 4 of Black Barn expansion. Little Simba comes to say good morning, and then we take a walk together, see what everybody else is doing. The goats are messing around like always. The sheep are having a slow morning, and the little babies are still sleeping. They're awesome. I love those guys. Okay, time to work. We're gonna go with windows. We moved windows from that old door. We're gonna put them over there. These doors are definitely going away. We don't need them anymore. And I love my hat. It's kind of cool. I look good. Okay, time for the big transformation. We're painting everything black, so it's gonna look pretty sweet. The painting went pretty easy with the sprayer, and it totally changed the look of the whole thing. I was ready to brush and roll, but my helper had a sprayer, and I don't think I'll ever brush and roll again. Okay, back to the inside. We got the front door installed. We got the patio slider installed. That thing was super heavy, but we got it in there. And now I'm doing the canvas. That's my cheat code for the interior. This part goes pretty easy, and it makes it look again like a tent, which goes with the glamping vibe we were trying to build at the very beginning of this property. Now it's 8:30 p.m. I'm ready to go take a break, walk around the property, and call it a day. Here's the barn, and now I go take a look at the A-frames. Everything is looking good. The lighting looks awesome at night. And that's a wrap.